Welcome to Mobile Musings. I'm Sierra Modro. Today we're following up with an additional set of typing tips on your iPad. Now, this is kind of an interesting built-in feature that many people don't know about. You can actually change the position and type of keyboard that you have on your iPad. It's very simple to do, and you may have actually done it on accident before, but now I'll show you how to do it on purpose and why you would want to do it. Here I am with the standard keyboard setup on my iPad mini. Now, on the iPad mini, this is actually not that difficult to do thumb style typing. But if you have a full-size iPad, this can be really challenging. But watch what happens if I just drag off to the sides. Suddenly, things are set up very easily for thumb-style typing. The balance is still a little off though, so if I press and hold on the actual keyboard button down here, I can move the keyboard up to the middle of the screen. This is really simple for doing thumb typing and just working at it while you're right here. If you want to go back to the standard keyboard, just push it together and then you can bring it down to the bottom of the screen. If you're here at this part and you move it up, it will split automatically. If you find that your keyboard isn't actually splitting automatically, then go into Settings, General, Keyboard, and you'll be able to see the option for Split Keyboard, and make sure that that's turned on. The Split Keyboard is Apple's term for this split keyboard. Also, while you're in the settings, it's worth noting some of the additional settings that you have for the keyboard. You can do the standard things like space being a period, but you can also add your own shortcuts. This is really handy for when you're typing out text messages, things like that. You want to do something that's going to be very easy to read, but easy for you to type as well. So for instance, I have L8 is running late, OMW is on my way, and you can easily add your own shortcuts within the keyboard settings. I also have an additional keyboard installed, the Emoji Keyboard, and I'll show you what the Emoji Keyboard allows you to do. If I go back over here to the notes and I'm in the keyboard, I now have this globe-looking icon here, and I can open that up, and instead of typing regular letters, I can type all sorts of different little emoji, and you can get the C and the R and the TM as well. All of these make it really easy to use your keyboard effectively on your iPad. These keyboard changes make it a lot easier to use your iPad while you're out and mobile. It's really easy to actually do thumb style typing on your iPad as long as you know how to split the keyboard and move it around.